Hey guys, super quick, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring the 1932 Packard 903 Deluxe 8 Coupe Roadster. This Coupe Roadster is finished in green over brown interior. It has 59,753 miles on the odometer, a 3-speed manual transmission, and a 385 cubic inch Inline 8 engine. Packard's continued domination in the American luxury car market was further emphasized in 1932 with chassis and engine improvements that made them even smoother and quieter. This came from a redesign of the chassis to utilize a double drop frame that was also 2 inches longer, allowing the bodies to sit lower to the ground. A revised Bajor chassis lubrication system automatically lubed 40 points on the Deluxe chassis. The longer 142.5-inch Deluxe chassis also utilized special stabilizer bumpers to better absorb wheel vibrations and a dual-piece prop shaft that was adopted with a rubberized carrier bearing to further reduce engine vibration and road noise. The engine compression was upped to 6:1, increasing horsepower to 135, along with new rubber engine mounts and larger air cleaner to quiet the action of the Detroit lubricator carburetor, both aiding additional noise reduction. The resulting Deluxe 8 chassis was truly superb and offered in 10 body styles to choose from. Some 955 Deluxe 8 units were sold across all styles, with one style in particular highly sought after today, the 903 Deluxe 8 Coupe Roadster. Very few of these are known and recognized within the Packard registry today, and fewer will appear on the market annually as collectors resist the urge to let them escape their possession. This presents a very rare opportunity for the pre-war collecting community to own a very special Packard rumble seat roadster. Hey guys, super quick, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like rare cars, you're gonna love the rest of our social medias too. So give those a follow, and I'll see you next time.